Tonight, we drift into a tiny world. A quiet world. A hidden world inside every cell in your body. But it shapes your life. It guides your growth. It keeps you alive, even in sleep. This world is built from DNA. A soft spiral of life. A calm pattern of tiny letters. As your body relaxes, imagine floating downward. Down, deeper. Into the stillness within yourself. Everything falls silent. Everything grows slow. You enter a small glowing room in the middle of a cell. A gentle chamber of light. A silent home for your DNA. Your DNA rests here. Folded like soft ribbons. Looped with perfect care. Organized with peaceful precision. Allow the picture to soothe you. Let it calm your mind. Let it slow your breath. Your DNA is long. Much longer than you expect. If stretched out, one strand would reach 2 full meters. But it never stretches. It folds. It curls. It rests in small, ordered shapes. The folding is smooth. The pattern is precise. No knots. No stress. Only silent balance. Your body keeps this balance in trillions of cells. Each cell protects its DNA. Every cell protects the story. In this long code, there are 4 simple letters. 4 letters. Endless meaning. They build your organs. Your face. Your heartbeat. Your memories. These letters go together. A with T. C with G. Always the same friendships. Out of these 4 letters, life writes a poem. A soft poem with billions of lines. A poem that began before you were born. A poem continuing tonight. You are unique. But you're also deeply connected. You share 99.9% of your DNA with every human alive. Only a tiny 0.1% makes you different. And that small part gives you your details. Your eyes. Your height. Your voice. Your quiet little traits. But beneath those small details, literally, we are almost the same. Almost one family. Almost one pattern. This thought is peaceful. This thought is grounding. You share more than you think. You share the code of life. While you sleep, your DNA works for you. It never complains. It simply fixes. Tiny helpers glide along your DNA strands. They search for errors. They fix broken letters. They restore your story. That's what they do every night. Quietly. Faithfully. Patiently. Your rest helps them work. Your sleep becomes recuperating. Your DNA is not stiff. It moves like a soft wave. It bends and sways inside each cell. Picture a ribbon floating underwater. Slow. Light. Free. That is how your DNA moves. Ever changing. Always flowing. Always alive. This movement assists your cells in reading the proper instructions. It helps your body stay balanced. It keeps your story going. Inside you, a silent dance is going on right now. A gentle rhythm you never feel. Smooth action that keeps you fit. Some of your DNA is ancient. Older than humans. Older than mammals. Older than forests and oceans. A long time ago, viruses deposited bits of themselves in your DNA. These pieces no longer harm you. They rest quietly. Some even help you. They guide early development. They support your immune system. They help life continue. You carry millions of years' worth of stories. Stories from the earliest animals. Stories of ancient seas. Stories from the deep past. Inside you, there is a life timeline. A soft museum of history. A record older than mountains. Older than stars in the sky you see tonight. Two strands twist together. Not too tight. Not too loose. A spiral that rises gently. Like a staircase. Like a seashell. Like a soft breeze turning through the air. Each one perfect. Each one peaceful. Each one a quiet echo of life. Every cell has your entire DNA. Every cell carries the full code. But each cell opens only the pages it needs. A skin cell reads skin pages. A heart cell reads heart pages. Nothing is confused. Everything has a clear plan. It is a silent library. A library where every book opens at the right time. Where every page is placed with care. Your body maintains this order every second. Even now. And you can let go. You can soften. Because the tiny world inside you knows exactly what to do. Past the tranquil spiral of DNA. Into the quiet work of reading the code. Your DNA is like a book. But books are to be read. And your cells read this book with soft precision. When a cell needs something, it opens just the right section. Not the entire strand. Only that part which it requires. The DNA slightly unwinds. Not fast. Not sharp. Just enough to show a few lines. It moves slowly along the strand. It copies the words. It carries the message. The message is called RNA. A light version of the DNA text. A small note taken from a giant library. RNA floats gently out of the nucleus. It carries instructions with calm confidence. It carries the message to the site of protein synthesis. Are those who work for life. Soft builders. Careful shapers. Tiny architects inside you. Proteins fold into special shapes. Each shape serves a purpose. One shape carries oxygen. Another shape is responsible for muscle building. Another acts like a gentle protector against sickness. Each protein knows its job. Imagine millions of tiny workers moving calmly. No rush. Just steady, quiet effort. This quiet teamwork keeps you alive. Every second. The RNA message is read by another small machine. Little rhythmic beats. With each beat, a new piece of a protein is added. Click. 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 Soft. Soothing. Like a quiet metronome inside your cells. When the protein is complete, it folds into its final shape. It curls into perfect form. This easy folding is one of the most docile areas of biological study. A silent shape forming in silence. A small gesture, yet so significant. Your whole body relies on these soft shapes. Your dreams are in their hands. And they never stop. Even when your eyes grow heavy. Even when your mind wanders. Even as you are falling asleep. Your DNA remains protected. Wrapped around small proteins called histones. All together, these form a bundle called chromatin. Chromatin can be tight or loose. It stays concealed when it is tightly wound. When it is loose, the DNA can be read. This simple shift, tight or loose. A soft decision. Your cells use this system to decide what to express. What to silence. What to turn on. What to rest. This control is called gene regulation. But you can conceptualize it as breathing. A natural rhythm. Expanding. Balancing. Then, exhalation gives way to action. A flow of choices. A calm pattern of decisions. The genes that turn on in the morning. While others turn active at night. Your body runs on rhythms older than human history. Older than memory. These rhythms keep you steady. They keep you balanced. They help you sleep tonight. Even the genes that guide your sleep are controlled by gentle loops of DNA opening and closing. Your body is reading genes that are preparing you for rest. Your temperature lowers. Your thoughts slow. Softly. Perfectly timed. There are switches along your DNA. Small chemical marks. Little dots that say on or off. These marks are not noise. They are not chaos. They are calm signals. Simple instructions, written not with letters, but in tiny molecules. They are called epigenetic marks. You can think of them as bookmarks in your DNA. They choose which pages to open, which pages to hide, which pages to rest for later. Each day brings new bookmarks into your life. Some from food, some from stress, some from sleep. Sleep strengthens the helpful bookmarks. It clears up the confusing ones. It brings order. It brings clarity. Your DNA loves order. It loves stillness. It loves balance. And sleep gives it precisely what is required. Deep in the night, your DNA becomes even more active in repair. Proteins scan the code for damage, for missing letters, for broken bonds. They sew things together. They help immunity. They help emotional balance. They help you wake up feeling safe and steady. All while you sleep. All while you rest. And your mind grows soft. Inside your cells. Not a single moment is wasted. Not one task is overlooked. It has guided every step of your growth. It goes on to this day. As the night falls around you. As your thoughts float lightly in your mind. As your body releases the noise of the day. Your cells are reading. Your proteins are folding. Your story is being kept safe. You can rest. Trust your biology to get you through the night. Let's drift deeper now. Into the gentle world inside your cells. A world that works in silence. A world that never sleeps. Inside any cell, DNA rests as a soft library. Tiny. Cool. Patient. Always ready. Always steady. And each cell reads only a small portion of this library. Just what it needs. It's a form of quiet wisdom. Your heart cells read chapters about beating. Your skin cells read chapters on protection. Sleeping. Waiting. DNA does not hurry. It takes its time. Like a librarian working by candlelight. They open it like a zipper. Soft. Quiet. Precise. They read it. And they never murmur. The small molecules work in a regular rhythm. Almost like a slow heartbeat. And when the job is completed, the strands fold back once more. Neat. Organized. Serene. Nothing is wasted inside the cell. The system is cautious. Thoughtful. Balanced. Even mistakes are rare. DNA checks its own work. It proofreads. It edits. It corrects small mistakes before they snowball. Like a calm teacher helping a gentle student. It fixes what it can. Your body may feel busy. Your day may be loud. But inside, the world of DNA is soft. Slow. Silent. It moves in smooth patterns. It dances in tiny circles. It loops around itself like sleeping ribbons. This dance makes no sound. No hurry. No stress. It is simply life. Life doing what life does. Each cell carries the same message. The same story. The same tranquil pattern. And even though the blueprint is long, it moves very slowly. Its touch is soft. The world inside you is almost a dream. Quiet. Balanced. DNA has been doing this work for billions of years. Well before humans. Long before animals. Long before the oceans had fish. This slow rhythm continues. Night after night. Age after age. It continues to this day. Steady. Silent. Supporting you. DNA never asks for thanks. It is endless. It never worries. It just carries the story of life. Inside you. Whole worlds are working in silence. Watching. Balancing. Breathing. And all this happens with no effort on your part. Without stress. Without noise. Only calm motion. Only soft order. Only quiet life. Everything inside you is older than mountains. Older than the moonlit forests outside your window. And yet, it remains peaceful. Life holds you with tender hands. Life keeps you safe. Life inside you is slow and wise. You can rest. While your DNA keeps up its ancient, quiet work. Into the long, quiet history inside your cells. DNA does more than instruct your body. It carries memories of life itself. Memories that are older than human story. Older than language. Older than the stars you see at night. They crossed oceans, while others did not. Creatures that lived through chilly nights and warm mornings. Your DNA is a soft echo of them all. It holds still notes from prehistoric fish. Gentle marks left by ancestors who walked under different skies. Their calm patterns still move through you. Your ancestors passed their stories with care. Not by words. Not through books. Passed from parent to child. Over and over. Age after age. Every detail instruction survived because it mattered. Because it kept life consistent. To you, listening now. Animals share pieces of your code. Even minuscule bacteria share pieces of your code. Life is different on the outside. Everything is interlinked. Everything is family. When we breathe the same air. When we drink the same water. When we walk on the same earth. The connection grows a little stronger. A bit more quietly. Your DNA has been traveling through time. Across continents. Across generations. Across so many soft evenings like this one. It has seen hot summers. Cold winters. Long migrations. Silent forests. Star-filled nights. And now it rests in you. Still. Carrying the same calm rhythm it carried millions of years ago. You are part of a gentle chain. A chain that never breaks. A chain of life itself. And the story goes on with you. Not by striving. But by being alone. Simply by living. Your DNA is not bossy. Not loud. It is soft. It is calm. It asks only one thing. To keep flowing. To keep telling the quiet story of life. As your mind wanders. That story keeps moving inside you. Slowly. Gently. Like a soft river. You carry the wisdom of thousands of generations. Yet you are a new creation. Unique. Nobody has ever possessed your actual DNA. It is peaceful. It is precious. You belong to time. Tonight. You can rest in that truth. You can breathe in that calm. You let your thinking settle like dust in a beam of warm light. Because inside you, life is stable. Life is wise. Your DNA holds you gently. Softly. Now, let's drift to the final part of this quiet journey. A place where the future feels gentle. A place where life moves with calm purpose. Your DNA is not just a record of the past. It's a quiet guide for tomorrow. A soft compass inside every cell. Every sunrise adds new moments to your life. Moments that your DNA supports. Moments your cells prepare for. Moments that just unfold with quiet grace. Your DNA wakes with you every day. It greets new light. It adjusts. It learns. It responds. It helps your body grow. It helps your body heal. It helps your body stay balanced. And it does this job without demanding anything in return from you. Without noise. Without stress. Without rush. There is a peaceful intelligence within you. Not the kind you think with. Not the kind you speak with. But the kind that knows what life needs. And delivers it gently. DNA is always watching. Not in a sharp way. But in a soft, natural way. It knows when you're tired. It notices if you're stressed. It adjusts, quietly. When your muscles need repair, DNA responds. If your skin needs healing, DNA responds. If your body needs balance, DNA responds. This response is slow. Patient. Steady. It is like a soft hand on your shoulder. Reassuring. Comforting. Kind. Inside you, at every moment, small molecules create a quiet symphony. Each knows its role. Each one follows a quiet rhythm. Each supports the life that you carry. The world outside of you can change. Days can feel fast. Voices can seem loud. But inside, the rhythm remains slow. Safe. Stable. Ancient. Your DNA holds no judgment. It holds no fear. It holds no pressure. It only provides advice. A gentle blueprint. A quiet reminder that life goes on, even in stillness. Tonight, you can rest in that stillness. You can let the day fade. You can let your breath slow. You are not alone. You are part of the long story of life. A quiet thread in an immense, tranquil tapestry. A living chapter by stars, oceans, forests, and time itself. And your story is still being written. Softly. Quietly. One breath at a time. Let your mind loosen now. Let your body feel heavy. Let your thoughts drift like leaves on a quiet stream. Your DNA keeps working. Gently. Steadily. As faithful as the night sky. You can sleep. You can rest. Life will hold you while you do. Thanks for drifting with me tonight. If this helped you relax. If it helped you learn something gentle and new. You're welcome to come back anytime. Your body knows something ancient. Your cells hold quiet strength. Your DNA carries the quiet story of life. Sleep well. Rest deeply. And let tomorrow come gently. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, you can like the video. Subscribe to SciSnap Daily Facts. And join us for more soothing science every night. Community question: which part of DNA's story did feel most relaxing to you tonight?